Stuck on a save that won't complete? Schema errors are a nightmare, but they aren't the end of your project. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to recover your file and stay on schedule. If you're seeing this error in Revit, don't panic. You haven't lost your work yet. This usually happens when an add-in messes up the internal data storage of your file. Today, I'll show you the two-step process to bypass this and get your file saved. You've cleaned your add-ins, you've tried the audit, but the error keeps coming back. Why? Because sometimes the problem isn't the software, it's the environment. Today, we're looking at the 4 hidden causes that are corrupting your Revit schemas. Hardware failure is a silent file killer. If your server or SSD drops a bit during a save, the schema breaks. If your connection isn't stable, your file isn't safe. If you can't save, check your connection before you blame the software. Cloud storage is a trap if you're impatient. Opening a file before it's fully downloaded means Revit is reading incomplete data. That incorrect schema is just a sync error in disguise. Don't double-click until the download is 100% done. Version gaps are project killers. Check your build numbers. A mismatch between Revit 2019.0 and 2019.2 is enough to corrupt your entire model. When an older build tries to save new schema data, it fails. Don't just match the year, match the update. Finally, power users, watch your virtual machines. If your virtual machines hits suspend or takes a snapshot while Revit is saving, it truncates the schema and kills the file. Give Revit dedicated resources and never let your virtual machines sleep on the job. If the quick fixes didn't work, it's time for a deep recovery. We're going to systematically isolate the problem and pull your data back from the brink. Here is your step-by-step rescue plan. First, go back to the source. If this file was sent to you via FTP or email, it might have corrupted during the transfer. Request a fresh copy or a re-upload. Sometimes the fix is just a better download. Is it the file, or is it the network? If you're on a server, copy the model to your local drive and open it there. If it opens locally, your server permissions or network path is the culprit. If it's only your local file failing, delete it and create a fresh local from the central model. If the current file is dead, we go back in time. For file-based work sharing, use the Restore Backup tool. Roll back to a version from before the error started. Check every local backup too. Sometimes a user's local copy is healthier than the central model. Check your Revit journal files. If you see login failed entries, the problem isn't the file or rather, your Windows user profile. A corrupted profile can block Revit from writing schemas. If this is the case, you'll need to recreate your Windows profile to restore access. And for the tech-heavy offices, review your virtual machine settings. Ensure your virtualization isn't throttling Revit's ability to communicate with the disk. If the system can't write, the schema breaks. Remember, Revit is hard. Fixing it shouldn't be. Audit regularly, sync your team's updates, and never race your cloud sync. For more deep dives into Revit troubleshooting, check out my other videos. Thanks for watching and keep on modeling.